Welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. Today I'll be unboxing Synology DiskStation DS218. It's a 2-bay NAS, network access storage. It's actually perfect blend of performance and value. It's a 64-bit quad-core processor and 4K 10-bit H.265 transcoding. Okay, well, let's see what we have here today. Okay. Oh, alright. With a seal Synology, it's totally new. It's black color. Oh, wow, that's nice. Oh, there's a DC in 12 volt with 2 USB port and a LAN. Okay, what's this written here? Network storage device. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, what we have in the box here, over here, we have a network cable, must be a Cat 5. This power cord, European power cord. Oh, this is the power adapter. 12 volt, 5 ampere. Okay, and okay, quick installation guide. We're gonna read through all this. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it we have here. So let's see how we can open this. Open the door and okay, you can take out the bed and you can slot in the hard disk. Cool. Okay, this is how we open the bay, pull a bit and you can just take it off. So this is the 2-bay push and you can pull. This way you can put your hard disk. Same goes as this one. Okay, looks good. Very light. So once you got your hard disk, you slot it back here, and the second bay, and then close the cover. Okay, very nice. Okay, stay tuned on my next video when I install the hard disk. See you.